National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bollinger County, Missouri, western Scott County, Missouri, southeastern Wayne County, Missouri, northeastern Butler County, Missouri, southwestern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, Stoddard County, Missouri, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:46 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles
Doesn't even do it.
Grassy to near Poplar Bluff, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dexter, Bloomfield, Advents, Orrin, Benton, Lake Wapapalo State Park, Puxico, Morley, Essex, Bell City, Wapapalo, Vanzizer, and Rombauer. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 84 and 86. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Bollinger, Butler, Cape Girardeau, Scott, Stoddard, and Wayne. The severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bollinger, east central Wayne.